Hello everyone, we are the students of third year, B.Tech Automation and Robotics, Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering. We have made a project for our subject process control, titled, Automatic Beverage Making Machine. Come let's see the demo.
Automatic Beverage Maker is a device that automates beverage preparation. Users select a drink via a button, and the machine dispenses ingredients from two containers into a mixture container. A motor-driven mixer blends the ingredients, and a solenoid valve pours the beverage into a cup. The system is customizable, allowing users to choose ingredients like milk or syrups. It offers convenience, consistency, and ease of use. Components used: ESP32 microcontroller, water flow sensor, solenoid valve, 5V DC pump, 9-volt battery, relay module, DC motor with styrer, containers, connecting wires, level switch, PLC, working. When the process starts, the main ingredients from two containers that have pumps installed within them will start pumping the liquid in it towards a mixture container. The main ingredient will flow through flow sensor, which will help us to monitor and control the flow. Once my level sensor gets high, my mixing motor will start mixing the ingredient for the fixed time. Once it is done, the beverage is poured out via a solenoid valve into a cup. Thank you.